Okay, Stickman Dude 2009. I had something to say. So, here's my Woobo plush toy. His name is Purple Woobo. But, you know what? My Woobo plush toy is making weird sounds. Whenever I turn him on, you had to see what's going on. So, I'm gonna turn him on.
Hi. Woohoo! Yay!
Woobo is so sweet. But what you had to know is that Woobo sounds are annoying. Woobo is making such weird sounds, and these sounds are annoying, you know. He's making annoying sounds. You see? Woobo is making weird sounds. I don't know what's going on. Woobo is making annoying sounds. Oh my gosh.
Connected to Wi-Fi, so we can hear more songs and stories.
Oh, Stickman Dude 2009. You just got pranked. It was just a prank. You just got pranked. Happy April Fool's Day! It's an April Fool's joke. I recorded some weird sounds to make you think that Woobo is really making annoying sounds, and no! Oh, sorry, it's my cat. She loves to play with toys. I don't want her to play with my Woobo plush toy because it can get broken. So you guys, Stickman Dude 2009. If you're watching this video, please don't believe me. It was just a prank. Yeah, I did a prank to you because today's April Fool's Day and I was thinking I could do a prank to you. Goodbye. Hey, say goodbye.